I'm working on a custom HTTP server in Python and need finer control over HTTP/1 and HTTP/2 protocols. I've heard about H11 and H2 libraries. Can you explain how they can help?
H11 and H2 are Python libraries designed to handle HTTP/1 and HTTP/2 protocols, respectively. They provide low-level interfaces to manage HTTP protocol specifics, which can be very useful for building custom servers or clients.
I see. How does H11 work for HTTP/1?
H11 gives you a toolkit to handle the HTTP/1 protocol. It doesn't implement a full server or client itself, but provides building blocks to handle HTTP/1 requests and responses. Here's a simple example of using H11 to parse an HTTP request.
That's quite straightforward. And what about H2 for HTTP/2?
H2 is similar in concept to H11 but for the HTTP/2 protocol. HTTP/2 is more complex due to its binary framing, multiplexing, and server push capabilities. H2 handles these complexities. Here's how you might initiate an H2 connection.
Does H2 handle the multiplexing of streams?
Yes, it does. H2 can manage multiple concurrent streams within a single connection, each with its own request and response. This is a key feature of HTTP/2, and H2 provides the tools to manage these streams effectively.
Can I use these libraries with existing Python web frameworks?
These libraries are more suited for custom implementations or extending existing frameworks with specific HTTP features. Most web frameworks abstract away the protocol details, but if you need to work directly with HTTP protocols, H11 and H2 are excellent choices.
And what about async support?
Both libraries are synchronous and protocol-focused, but they can be integrated into async environments. You'd typically handle the async part with a library like Asyncio, and then use H11 or H2 within that context to manage the protocol specifics.
That sounds powerful, but also complex.
Yes, it's a more advanced use case. If you're just building a typical web application, higher-level frameworks or servers would be more appropriate. But if you need to get down into the nitty-gritty of HTTP protocols, H11 and H2 are great tools to have in your arsenal.